Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. It is supposed to be Snowmageddon this weekend. I'm in eastern North Carolina, so initially we were going to get snow, then it was freezing rain. Now they say probably just rain, which I am fine with. I even ordered a shovel. I went to every store in my town, nobody had a shovel, and then I thought, this is North Carolina. We don't get snow. So I ordered one from Walmart, and of course it's going to be late, and now I don't care because we're just getting rain. So today I'm making a beef stew. It's a carnivore beef stew. If you use spices, it's completely carnivore. What I have is about 3 pounds of tender chuck steak. And I bought this because it was on sale, and normally I buy stew meat, but stew meat was more expensive than this, so whatever kind of meat you can find is good for this. And I'm going to cook it in my slow cooker because I'm just going to put it in and then enjoy it later. I already have half of it in the slow cooker, and what I'm going to do now, since I have half of it in here, I'm going to add half of the spices. And the spices that I use are, it's a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of cayenne. You can use whatever spices you like, but I'm just going to put half of it on because I want to make sure it all gets spices. And then I'm going to cut up the other, the rest of the meat. So, because I don't want the meat to just melt, and I want there to be chunks of meat. So I don't want to cut them too small. So we have all of our beef in here cut up. I'll put the rest of the spices on it. And then it calls for 4 cups of beef broth. This is Walmart brand beef broth. It does not have sugar in it. You have to read the ingredients because the beef broth does not have sugar in it. Other of theirs do have sugar in it, so read it. I've also found my Food Lion here in North Carolina. They have some beef and chicken broths that don't have sugar in it. But again, read the labels because every brand name that I have found has some kind of sugar in it. So then it calls for 4 cups of beef broth. You just pour it over all the spices and the beef. So this is 4 cups, so we're just going to use the whole thing. If there's any broth left over after we make the stew, it's always good to keep that. Normally there isn't in my household, so this goes on low. Cook it for 4 to 6 hours. It will depend on your slow cooker how long it takes to cook. But if it cooks ahead of time, mine usually cooks, ahead of time. It's a fast one. Then you just turn it off, and then like an hour before you want to have dinner, you turn it back on low to heat it up. So this is going into the slow cooker for 4 to 6 hours. And when it's done, we'll be back to taste it. It's such an easy thing to do on a cold day and keeps you nice and warm. And I almost forgot to tell you about our new book. Dr. Carl and I finished this book finally. It was available starting January 1st, 2026. And this is on Amazon. It's a precision PSMF blueprint for weight management. This is the way that I have been able to lose and maintain my weight for the past 5 years. It's a really good read. It's very helpful. Also goes along with my cookbook, Precision PSMF Cookbook. So the two of these together will help you on your way to weight management. I do very strict precision PSMF in January of every year because December, you eat a lot of treats, there's nuts, there's dairy, blah, blah, blah. So I usually gain weight. So right now I'm very strict precision PSMF. And this beef stew actually might be okay on a PSMF day if you take all the fat out. If you put it in the refrigerator, take the fat out, then it's nothing but broth and beef. So this beef stew would be good for a precision PSMF day. The book is amazing and will help you on your journey. Be back when the stew is ready. Okay, beef stew is done. I'm laughing because I already filmed this ending of this where I tasted it, I showed it to you, but I forgot to put the microphone on. So I'm like, well, luckily it's at the end of my video and I can do it again because, hey, I don't mind tasting this again. It's very good. Here's the beef stew. I don't have a lot of juice in here right now because this is for dinner. I will turn it off and I'll turn it on like an hour before dinner on low and let it heat up again. So I'll show you. So good. The juice is so good. The meat is so good. Oh, I cannot wait for dinner. This is so good for a so-called snowy, stormy, actually we're not getting any snow today, but a stormy North Carolina day, which the sun was out. We were supposed to have freezing rain all day and nothing. But I'm still glad I have my beef stew. So the broth is oh so good. And we'll try some of the meat. Oh, that's so good. I can't wait for dinner time. There's very little fat in here because there wasn't a lot of fat in the meat. So you could actually have this for a precision PSMF meal. So a nice warm meal for it is cold, so for a cold day. Enjoy.